Small compact trucks have gained immense popularity in today's automotive landscape. However, the current market offerings are rather limited, with the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz being the primary contenders. This scarcity has created an opportunity for new compact trucks to enter the market, and several major automakers are already exploring this niche. Rumors within the automotive industry suggest the potential arrival of new compact trucks in the United States. Today, we'll explore a few of these prospective compact trucks and consider how they might compare to existing competition, notably the Ford Maverick, which has been selling exceptionally well. The Maverick, a hybrid vehicle, saw a significant surge in sales, reaching a 161,405% increase earlier this year. However, it's worth noting that Ford's 2024 model will introduce a significant change. The hybrid drivetrain will no longer be standard and will instead be a $1,500 option. This means the base XL trim for the 2024 model starts at $23,400, while opting for the hybrid version will cost $24,900. The 2023 Ford Maverick XL Hybrid already boasts impressive fuel economy, achieving approximately 42 miles per gallon in the city, 33 miles per gallon on the highway, and 37 miles per gallon combined. Opinions on hybrid vehicles vary, with some viewing them as a transitional step towards full electrification, while others see them as a means to ease the transition. The consensus is that immediate full electrification may not yet be practical for the US market, and hybrid vehicles provide a valuable bridge. In terms of sales, the Maverick has outperformed the Nissan Frontier with a 10% sales increase compared to 2022, while the Frontier has experienced a 21% decline in popularity. The Frontier has faced criticism for its outdated infotainment system and limited legroom in the crew cab. In contrast, the Maverick offers nearly 36 inches of legroom in the rear row and improved legroom for front seat passengers. The Maverick has also surpassed the Chevy Colorado in sales. While the Chevy Colorado is undeniably more powerful, capable of towing up to 7,700 pounds when fully equipped, the Ford Maverick can tow a maximum of 4,000 pounds, even with its newly available Turbo 4 engine. The distinction lies in cabin quality, where the Chevy Colorado, despite its higher price, features predominantly all-black plastic panels, while the Maverick's interior layout has been praised for its smoother and more visually appealing design. The Ford Maverick has also outperformed the Jeep Gladiator in sales. Although the Gladiator has sold more units than many rivals this year, its overall popularity has declined by 30%. Notably, the Gladiator is the most expensive truck in its segment, starting at a base price of $38,195. Even a fully loaded Maverick Lariat comes in at a lower price than the cheapest Jeep Gladiator. Additionally, the Gladiator's substantial length of 218 inches can make it challenging to maneuver on tight trails or in parking spaces. In contrast, the Ford Maverick measures just under 200 inches in length. The success of the Maverick has garnered the attention of other automakers, sparking rumors and requests for more compact trucks to enter the market. For instance, Toyota dealerships have expressed a desire to introduce a compact truck to the US market. While there is no official word from Toyota yet, the company is actively considering this possibility. Toyota's general manager, Dave Christ, acknowledged that they have been closely monitoring the Maverick's success. He noted the trend of pickup trucks in the US becoming larger over recent decades, with models like the Tundra and Tacoma now larger than Toyota's earlier pickups in the US. Some enthusiasts are hopeful that the Toyota Stout, which dates back to the original Toyota Tacoma Stout in 1964, could make a return to American roads. Compact trucks often share platforms with crossovers, and Toyota's current strong sales in crossovers make it well positioned to design and retrofit a compact truck. There is speculation that Toyota may reintroduce the Stout to the US market by 2025 as part of Toyota's electrification strategy, whether in a full battery electric or hydrogen fuel variant. Toyota is strategically focused on competitive pricing, and it is expected that the reintroduced Stout would have a starting range of around $23,000, with higher trim levels reaching $30,000. Given Toyota's reputation for retaining high resale values, it's likely that the Stout will maintain this trend. Despite recent rumors sparked by Toyota's registration of the Stout name for use in Argentina, trademarking a name does not guarantee its use, especially in the American market. Toyota officials have downplayed the possibility of a compact pickup, stating that they currently have no specific plans. However, they acknowledge that a smaller truck is under consideration, particularly if it can contribute to meeting increasingly strict fuel economy standards. Currently, the Toyota Tundra and Tacoma are relatively large trucks, with the shortest Tundra boasting a wheelbase of 233.356 inches. This size does not align well with increasingly stringent fuel economy standards. While Toyota has downplayed the possibility of introducing a compact truck in the near future, rumors persist about a potential Toyota compact truck entering the American market within the next few years. Dealerships are eager for this development, but whether Toyota will heed these requests remains uncertain. While Toyota has not officially confirmed the release of a new compact truck, it has not ruled out the idea either. Another rumor suggests that Toyota might base its potential compact pickup truck on the Corolla platform. If this comes to fruition, it could be anticipated for release around 2027, with an initial MSRP of approximately $27,000. Toyota would likely choose to manufacture the compact truck in the United States, rather than producing it in Japan and importing it to avoid import taxes. Currently, there is considerable attention on the Chevy Montana, Chevy's first compact unibody pickup. It's marketed as a compact truck, with the practicality of a pickup and the comfort of a crossover. The 2024 Chevy Montana has officially been launched in Mexico, available in two distinct trim levels, LT and the upcoming RS. The design of the Montana shares similarities with the Chevy Blazer and features a multiplex cargo bed. Although it doesn't aim to be the most powerful pickup, with a 1.2-liter turbo engine producing around 133 horsepower and 155 feet-pound of torque, it serves a specific purpose. As of now, the Chevy Montana is not available in the United States. GMC's smallest offerings are the GMC Canyon and the Chevy Colorado, which are not considered small compact trucks. With the increasing popularity of the Ford Maverick, it's conceivable that Chevy might consider bringing Montana to the American market. In recent news, a test model of the 2024 Ram Rampage was spotted in the United States. While Ram is initially launching in South America, there are expectations that it will soon make its way to American soil. The Ram Rampage is essentially a shrunken version of the Ram 1500, known as the Ram 1200 in foreign markets. It features Ram's signature design elements, including a bold grille and robust body lines, and fans are hoping for additional cargo space and standard off-roading tires. There are some intriguing rumors regarding the powertrain of the Ram Rampage. It's rumored that the standard offering will include a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder Tiger Shark engine, but there might also be an option for a more powerful V6 engine. Additionally, there's hope among some for a hybrid option. As for pricing, speculations suggest it may be positioned around $26,000 to maintain competitiveness with the Ford Maverick. Another point of interest is the 2023 Kia compact truck, which is expected to make its American debut as early as 2025. While it doesn't yet have an official name, Kia's CEO has expressed enthusiasm for a pickup truck, sparking considerable excitement and rumors. As for details on this Kia compact truck, there isn't a wealth of information available at the moment. There are a few concept drawings and renders that offer a glimpse of what this modern compact pickup, potentially based on the Kia Sportage, might look like. If these renders hold true, it could feature options such as a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder and a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine, with power outputs ranging from 180 to 240 horsepower, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the choice of front or all-wheel drive. Then there's the speculation around a Subaru Brat, an acronym for Bi-Drive Recreational All-Terrain Transporter. This compact truck has roots dating back to 1978 and was one of the original compact pickups. Although Subaru ceased exporting the Brat to the US in 1987, the idea of a Subaru compact pickup resurfaced in 2002 in the form of the Subaru Baja. The Subaru Baja was built on all-wheel drive Outback underpinnings. The 2006 Baja came in two trims, Sport and Turbo, equipped with a 2.5-liter flat-four gasoline engine, offering horsepower in the range of 165 to 210, with the Turbo delivering the higher output. The Turbo trim provided additional features like power seats, leather upholstery, and more. The Subaru Baja hasn't seen a new model since 2006, largely due to slow sales and pricing issues. However, with the shifting landscape in the compact truck market, and the success of models like the Ford Maverick, there's a compelling case for Subaru to reintroduce a new compact truck inspired by the Baja or the Brat. Now, have you ever owned a compact truck? Which of the compact trucks discussed in this video piqued your interest? Feel free to share your thoughts by commenting below. And if you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support is appreciated.